How to connect Twitch to EA account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can connect your Twitch to your EA account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to basically connect your Twitch to your EA account, open up your browser and simply go to this URL known as ea.com/twitchlinkin. I repeat, it's called ea.com/twitchlinkin. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to ea.com/twitchlinkin, of course, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you want to make sure you're signed into your EA account as well as also your Twitch account. And it will directly ask you to sign into both, and when you sign into both your accounts, you will find this option. Make sure this is the EA account that you want to link to this Twitch account, and then just tap the link accounts option from here, and then your account will get successfully connected. This way you can connect your EA account to Twitch. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.